There you are. Come on, let's go for a ride. And at the end, we're gonna jump this gap. This is the Beavers. Let's go. Thank you. So don't discard the greens because they can be really fun if you rip them fast. So we're gonna rip them fast today. Woohoo! Woohoo! This is a little pedally, flowy section here. Just try to keep your flow through it. And then it'll get going soon here. Ooh. Trail conditions are pretty good today. Super nice out today, which is awesome. Good weather. Ooh. So if you ride these green trails the right way, you get some really good descent. Woo! Pump that. Woo! Woo! Yo! Pedal into this. Woo! Let's get it. Woo! So good. Woo! That was pretty big. Woo! Okay. Now, just hold your flow. Woo! Woo! Ew. Yeah, super good. Super fun trail. Definitely worth riding. Woo! Stop. Try and get the jump today. Woo! So good. Another jump here. Woo! So good. One here. Woo! So fun. Woo! Super good. Woo! Yo! Woo! Into the bridge. Stay up high. Woo! Little pedally here into this next section. Woo! Try to hold our speed. Woo! So a little pedally here, but then we'll get some more downhill. Woo! So good. Making me work hard though, which is good. Woo! Okay. Little pedally. I'll try to pick up the pace for you, for everyone. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Okay, let's go. Little pedally here in this section, but it's worth it. This is fun. A little side hit here. Woo! Woo! Super good. Over the rock. Woo! Don't hit the tree. Woo! High on the berm. Woo! Woo! Nice and high on the berm. Hold our speed. Yo! Over the bridge. So good. Yo! Woo! Okay, now this Next section is super fun and totally worth it too. Woo, you ready for this? Because we're getting it. Woo! Okay, it's tight in here. Woo! Going straight. Some fun jumps in here. Woo! Little tight. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Woo! Woo! So good. Don't hit that rock, but we can hit this one. Woo! So good. Full sender. Woo! Pump those rollers. Hold our speed into the jump. Step up. Woo! So good. Yo! Super fun. Woo! Now, this section, we have to climb up the road. Now this is the last section of Eager Beaver. Woo! Totally worth the little road climb, because this is a fun, tight descent here. Woo! So good. Super fun. Woo! So good. Don't hit the tree. A little close to the head. Woo! Woo! So good. Super fun. Yeah. Jump. Woo! So good. We're going right. We're going the right way. Now remember, we have that gap jump at the bottom. So we're gonna hit that gap jump at the bottom and we're gonna send it. Oh yeah. Woo! So good. Woo! Pump that. Stay up high. Woo! Trail's pretty good today, which is awesome. Woo! Had a lot of that. Woo! Yo! Woo! So good. All right, last section into the gap jump. Woo! Yo! Are you ready? Here we go, from the top, full send. Woo! There we go. Woo! So good. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, yes. So good. Now that was the Beavers. I'm gonna check Garmin and see what we got for the stats. So for our time, we have 11 minutes and 43 seconds. Woo-hoo! So good. And our distance was 2.82 kilometers. I ride a new trail every week. Subscribe and come ride with me. We'll see you on the next one.